What?
Smells like a porta-john. Because there is one.
Jeez. Bug spray got in my mouth.
Smells like bug spray too. How do you like my new shades?
Yeah, your dollar store.
Dollar store shades. Have I already thrown my other ones out? I should do a show and tell of how terrible they looked after I tried to clean them.
It was like you had cataracts.
It was terrible. Yeah.
I see you dancing, Rosalita, Lita. I'm at your window tonight. Go tell your daddy that I need you. I don't care if it's alright. Hey there, mister, wanna meet your sister, looking at her for a good time. And you look over your shoulder as girlie's getting older, and she wants to find freedom tonight. You set my heart on fire.
We are at a trailhead to go hike up. It's about an 8-mile trip up.
Yep.
What's the trail called?
It's the Highline Trail. That's the High Uinta Highline Trail.
Everything you want and more. And treat me the same again. Everything you want and more. You want a book, you got a Brooklyn, baby. This ain't the...
It's a pretty cool drive up here. If you're an RVer and you happen to be traveling through here, the Uinta area, there's plenty of dispersed camping and beautiful places to stay. Bald Mountain over here, and just beautiful drive. We're looking forward to coming back here. Deer Lake, so many little lakes up here. 10,000 feet elevation roughly is where we are now. 9,000 something. But the mosquitoes are getting us, so we're going to get to moving and get warm.
Yep.
And then take a nap pretty soon. We had a hard workout this morning at the gym, and I am feeling. I was about to fall asleep on the drive over here.
Indeed.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. See who we're hiking with today. Should've known, huh, Pipe? That's okay. No. Not on me.
We made it to 4 lakes at the top. It's pretty gorgeous around here. How was your hike today, Blair?
That's good. The last mile was pretty miserable.
Yeah.
It was raining and thundering and lightning, but otherwise, 9 miles to the top.
And it's
Not too bad of elevation gain. I think the last 2 miles had 1,000 feet, but
it's pretty rocky, which is exceptionally fatiguing to hiking. So you're stepping on rocks and your ankles get really tired. So it gets tedious hiking that way, especially with weight on your back. It's very marshy all the way around. So finding a good, somewhat smooth campground that's not marshy area is difficult. The mosquitoes are
out with a vengeance.
Yeah. All right. Piper had a great time. She splished and splashed all over the place.
Yep.
ready to blow it up?
I think so. Yep. Running good.
What's happening, Blair?
I'm so sore.
Yeah.
Not from my pack, but from the gym.
Blair is blowing up her mattress pad. Tucker is shivering and drooling on me because it's thundering off in the distance. But we have a very spacious tent here.
We happened to be beside a lake and beside one of the tallest trees beside the lake. But we'll be okay.
Yeah. Shiver. How's your new water filter?
Pretty good. Very good.
I like it very much.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. This is pretty good.
We made it back to the trailhead. 8.7 miles. Today's hike was way better than yesterday because one, we didn't start with a workout. A workout that is actually a great workout for preparing for hiking.
Yep.
I believe that All Trails is wrong because it says 16.1 for out and back.
Yep.
And it was 9 miles out yesterday. We did take a circuitous route, but we didn't stay far. We didn't go far off the trail. And today was 8.7 back. So I'm not really sure if the trail has changed since it was made. But anyway, good hike.
So we're gonna go, we are at, I think, Grandview Trailhead. If that's not right, we'll put it at the bottom. And we're gonna go past Granddaddy Lake, past a couple other lakes, Betsy Lake, make our way past Fish Hatchery Lake, up and around to a loop, hopefully get to maybe Pine Island Lake today, and then decide what we want to do for tomorrow or the next day.
This is a beautiful spot. The road coming up here is 6 miles of WTF on every level. And we thought coming up, I was like, we're going to be the only people up here. Nobody else comes up here.
Yep.
We were wrong. Both that way and that way. There's like 15, 20 more cars over there.
My mind was blown.
Absolutely.
For sure. Like, we made it up about a mile or two, probably halfway up the road, and we're like, wow, yeah, I'd be shocked if there's anyone in the trailhead. And then we got up about 4 miles with 2 miles left, and I was like, okay, for sure, there's not going to be anyone else here.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, there's recent tire tracks on the road. I wonder how recent they are. 15 minutes before us. Okay, let's go.
Let's walk. I think we have ourselves a log jam. Morning, Blair.
Good morning.
I just want to show everybody what we get to wake up to when we go hiking.
It's beautiful.
Views like that on the water.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
We had a storm last night after dark. We thought we were clear, but it was not. So,
It's okay though.
Yeah.
I predicted after the first
48 minutes.
and then after that she settled down and she slept. So she hopefully the last half of it. So.
Hey, my dear, everything I want and more. You set my heart on fire.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Love it.
More than I think about it. A little blow, get higher.
You remember that sunrise we saw this morning?
Yeah, it's long gone now.
4 miles ago. It's been raining ever since.
Yep. My fingers are the only thing that's cold. Probably because I just dipped them in ice cold water.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. Uh-oh. Oh, dang it. Okay, dirty. I'm already dirty enough.
How your fingernails this morning?
Pretty dirty.
Hey.
Oh, I know, I need to rinse them off in the river.
And treat